Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be explaining how to add money in Airtm. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have a verified Airtm account. So I made a video previously on how to register and verify ATM account. So if you are still finding it difficult to verify ATM account, feel free to contact me and I will guide you through on how to verify it. Now let's dive into how to add funds into your ATM account. Launch the ATM app on your smartphone. Okay, I'm being asked to enter my fingerprint. So now I've successfully signed in. So now I want to fund this ATM account from my bybit. So I will explain how it works. So now let me launch my bybit app. Let's wait for it. So here is my bybit. Bybit now. So I'll allow it to load. Still loading. Okay. So here is my P2P. Asking me to update. So here is my P2P trading. If you can't find your P2P, click here and look for P2P. You will see it here. Your P2P will be here. So mine is already up here. You can add, maybe when you click edit, you can add your P2P to be showing on top. So my P2P is already here. I'll just have to click on it, and then here. Okay, let me exit this notice. Acknowledge. Okay, here is on NGN, but in my bybit I have USDT already. So let me change this to USDT. Okay, USD, here is it. So it's already on USDT here, and the currency is USD. So now I have to select payment method as ATM. Here is it. So let me look for ATM. Can't find it here. So let me use the search ATM. So here is it. So as you can see, this one here is buy, and while this one is sell. So if I want to sell the USDT I have in my bybit to my ATM, I'll select sell. Then if I want to buy USDT into my bybit with the money in my ATM, I will choose buy. I hope you understand. Then, like I said, I want to sell because I want the money in my bybit now to be transferred to my ATM. So I'll choose sell. So now, then I'll change the payment method to ATM. ATM. Where is it? Confirm. So this one is selling $1, but I'm ineligible, while this one is 255 or 245. So I'm looking for something smaller. Okay, this one limit is 2. So the minimum amount you can buy is from $1 up, or the minimum amount you can sell or add or fund to your ATM is from $1 up. So but let me select this one. So let me sell to this person. So I will release my USDT for this person here on bybit, while he will send the equivalent amount to my ATM. So that's how it works. So now I'll select and I'll write 5. Okay, as you can see, what I have here is 5 USD, and what I will receive in my ATM is 4.9. That's what I will receive. Okay, 4.965. So this is ATM. I've already entered my ATM details. So as you can see, this is my name and this is my ATM ID or username. I've selected and I'll click confirm. So $5, and then I'll click on sell. Okay, I have to read the remarks. Fast pay, easy, I'll receive amount. Okay, no extra fees, sin commissions. Okay, I'll click on sell now. So now this person will send money to my ATM. When I receive the money, I will now come back here and release the money for him. So I'll now wait and go to my ATM and refresh. Let me use my fingerprint. So as you can see, the person have not yet sent the money. So I'll just have to be refreshing and wait. So after waiting for some time, I logged into my ATM app and I refreshed it. As you can see, the money has arrived in my account, 4.96 USDC. So here is the sender. So I have received the money. All I have to do now is to go back to my bybit. As you can see, here is the bybit. So the option to release the money is now here, because the sender has marked that he has sent the money to me. I have seen the money and the name is exactly the same and the amount is the exact amount I'm expecting, 4.96. That's what I received in my ATM. So now I'll now click on release now. So here I'll check. I have checked, the amount is correct and the name is the same. I've checked everything is correct, and I will release now. Acknowledge. Okay, you'll be asked to use either fingerprint. Let me see if it will work. If it doesn't work, then I'll be using my authenticator. So let me choose Google Authenticator here. So I'm being asked to provide the code from my Google Authenticator. Okay, let me go to my authenticator and get the code. I know the screen will be black. You will not be seeing anything right now because you cannot screen record anything from authenticator. So now I've clicked confirm. Okay, now the money will now be released to the person. So like right now, I have successfully added money to my ATM account. So let me show you. So as you can see, here is it. I have 4.96. So this is just for the tutorial purpose. So if you are watching this video, maybe you want to fund your derivative account from ATM, you should add at least $6 so that at the end you will have like 5 point something dollar in your ATM account. So another method is to choose OPay. As you can see, I have OPay here and I have Binance Pay and I have Skrill. So if you have Skrill, you can use, if you have OPay account, you can use your OPay account to pay. Now, I will not be using this option here, but if you're not seeing OPay, or if you can't find OPay from here, click here now and then use this search bar here and search for OPay. Search for OPay. When you choose OPay, you just enter the amount, 5,000, let's say for example, but I'll cancel it. Let me select, okay. As you can see, I'm going to receive 2.92. That's 5,000. So their dollar rate, I don't know what their dollar rate is right now. Can't see that, but 5,000 naira, I'll get $2.92. So I'll have to proceed. So here is the option to continue. So let me click on continue. So now I'll select OPay. So here, let me select OPay. So as you can see, this is my OPay. Like I have configured it. I'll click on continue. So in the next page, I'm being asked to submit request. So when I click on submit request now, they will place this request online that I want an USDC worth of 5,000 naira. Okay, maybe someone else who has USDC of 5,000 naira and wants to sell, as he or she wants to receive naira. Okay, let me say me, I have fowl and I'm looking for someone that has goat. Okay, let me say the naira is fowl and the dollar is goat. So I have fowl and I'm looking for someone that has goat. I'll just give the fowl to the person and the person will now give me the goat. So that's how it works. So when I place this request now, this request will be online. So maybe the person announces, okay, this person is wants to buy the one on 5,000. Okay, me, I want to sell 5,000 worth of my USDT. So he will now click on my request, and ATM will take the money and keep, while I will now send the naira to the person. Because once ATM take the money, they will provide me the detail of the person. I don't want to proceed because if I submit this request now, I don't think it will make this video much longer. So I don't want this video to be too long. So let me just brief it. Then when I submit the request, the ad will be there. Once the person click on it, they will give me the person's detail and I will make payment into it. And the person, once the person sees the money, he will now release the USDT and it will appear in my ATM account. That's how it works. So, but it's still the same way with Bybit. you can fund your bybit with naira. You can just sell the USDT to your ATM. So that's how it works. I believe you understand this video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question or if you are still finding it difficult to fund your ATM account, feel free to contact me. I can as well help you to fund your account. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.